Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by measuring the skirt on and off. Get two numbers, current waist and target waist. Once done, divide the excess into equal sections and pin at roughly 1/2 intervals so the reduction stays balanced. Make chalk marks 1-2 cm inside the existing seam to give yourself a seam allowance. This prevents cutting too much. You should be confident in these measurements because they determine fit. If they are off, the next steps won't correct a bad baseline. You now alter the waistband. Unpick the waistband seam only where you marked so you can access the skirt body. Once open, create evenly spaced darts or stitch a new seam along the chalk line. Use a straight stitch and backstitch at both ends for durability. Trim excess fabric but leave a 1/5 cm seam allowance so the hem and waistband can be reattached. Make sure to press the new seams flat. A hot iron sets stitches and gives a professional look. You finish by reattaching the waistband, aligning notches and easing the fabric so there are no puckers. Once attached, try the skirt on and check fit in motion. If small gaps remain, add 0.51 cm tucks at side seams. Make sure to repress after each change. Finish raw edges with a zigzag or serger and top stitch if you want extra strength. Troubleshooting tip: if puckering occurs, loosen the stitch tension and press seams again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.